Fresh? How about now? Am I live yet? Oh no. Am I live yet? Hello. Am I live? There we go. Alright, welcome to the live stream. I'm your host, The Climb to One. We are here on November the 20th, Wednesday of 2024. Wednesday is Declaration Day. We have already went over, but we'll show it again. YMAG will be paying a 6-cent dividend. Misty will be paying a $4.42.13 dividend for our current share allocation. That'll be 71 cents coming in from YMAG on the week and $56.04 for Misty coming in on the month. A boom, Daddyopolis, big money. All right, the gains on the day. So we've had 3 consecutive market days of $50 plus gains in the 50 to 55 range. Today was a little quieter, about half that, 27.83 to the good, but 2% in a day. We take those. We take those. So let's take a look at the losers. NVDY was down $1.72 today. That represents, well, see, that just changed. Was down 80 cents today. 0.77 cents. Now this is the after hours messing with us, okay, because it didn't stop, right? The market keeps moving. YMAG down $2.60 for 1.12%. Yeah, see, now it's even worse. Tony down $2.68 for 1%. Now what about the winners on the day? $2.50 for YMAG, representing a 1.91%. $2.56 for YBTC, representing 2.09 in gains. And a nice $28.39 in gains for Misty, my highest position. You see market value here. Wait, can I get cost basis in there? We'll see in a moment. Representing a whopping 5.2%. We love that. And as you see, everything on the list is still overall in the green, although NVDY is flirting with disaster. But we've yet to receive a dividend from them. That will be next month. This is November. This is now. We are here. Then we'll roll into December, and you'll see here on the 6th. Don't worry about the prices. All these prices might change. This is just based off the last payment, okay? But just showing that NVIDIA hasn't pumped any money into itself yet. So NVIDIA is working completely on unrealized capital gains since the point of purchase, which is only a few days ago. All right? Right. Good. We're good. We're good. So everything is winning, and most things, half the things, are winning better than the market is winning. Okay? Beautifully. Beautifully. And most of this is completely unexpected because with all of these stocks, we're supposed to get stock price go down, but dividends so high, we don't care, right? We're not getting the NAV erosion expected because we're getting a bull run in the market right now, mostly based off of the election. I'd say on the market, I should be more specific. The reason that Misty and the reason that YBTC, even though it's not as much, and the reason that Coney are up is because these are all directly or indirectly attached to Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's going up, and the new government is looking favorably upon crypto. You'd have to explain to me why Maxi is going up. I'm going to have to go over there and look at what their underlyings are and what Maxi completely does. Maxi's also going bonkers. Good on them. Now we're here. Group by, customize. I don't want to delete the widget. Customize columns. Market value. I don't see cost basis. Market value is what the whole lump sum is worth now. I want to know why is cost basis not on here? I mean, you gave us this whole new fancy thing, and one of the most important things isn't here. I mean, yeah, you can get your cost basis by subtracting the open P&L, but ain't nobody got time for that. Just give us a cost basis, bro. Robin Hood. Robin Hood, what are you doing? Cost basis. It's one of the most common stats. We needs. Okay, but despite that, we're looking good. Today was a good day. Not as good as the previous three, but still a good day. The overnight is currently trying to hurt our fifis, but our fifis are resolute. So hopefully the after hours has a change of heart and decides to join the fan club and bull on up instead of bear on out. We shall see. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, I've gone over this. Sorry, I'm not very freaking organized. We went over what the dividend payouts are going to be on Friday. Oh, yeah. What you're not seeing. Hey, where did AVAX go? Avalanche. Well, it dropped down to $1.02. It was a free dollar that they gave me. I just sold it out. All right, that cost me a penny. So I only got $1.01 there, but that's all free money, right? Should have sold at 107 really. And then we threw that into Coney because Coney, one, is currently on a dip, not from where I bought it, but it's currently on a little dip. And two, Coney is the first one we're going to try to rush to 100 shares. All right, that's what we're looking at. We're probably going to put 1,500 into Coney on deposit day. And deposit day is the 29th. So, we're getting awfully close here to 1,500. 2,000 is the goal. A deposit of 500, a little more, 580, 600, whatever, right? 700 if need be gets us to 2,000. 2,000 gets us margin. We're going to leverage that first 1,000 at 0% interest. That's 1,500. We're probably going to put that whole 1,500 into Coney, make it a major stake. And then we should be getting, in general, $100 a month from Coney off those 100 shares. And then that $100 a month from Coney can go into buying other shares. The next thing that we'll probably try to run up from that point is YMAG to get our weeklies up. We'll try to get YMAG to 100. We will use Coney's dividends to help YMAG get to 100 faster. And really, at $20, Coney paying 100, 5 shares of YMAG a month coming off of that, and YMAG dripping back into itself should be pretty helpful to accelerate that until the next dividend date. I think that's going to be kind of my thing, right? Get it to 100, and then once it's to 100, turn the drip off, and let the stocks that have 100 try to bevy up the stocks that don't, until all 6 of these stocks hold 100 shares. May be the idea. We're flirting with it, right? These things, you got to see the market, you got to see the dips. There might be a new product that I want to introduce, things like that. But currently, maybe we'll turn drips off at 100 shares and then spread that love across other things. And if the market stays bullish, that'll be easy because we won't be fighting so much of the NAV erosion because there'll be less losing when calls are executed and a lot more winning because you're just collecting the premiums for free without the risk. Well, I mean, the risks are still there, but if it's not being called, then for that week, the risk didn't happen, right? So we'll see. But that's where we are at today. Oh, look, after hours decided to get a little nice. Okay. But we are up 27.83 on the day, not quite the 50 plus from the last 3 days. But that's to be expected. It's not always going to be super high. In fact, we weren't really expecting capital gains much from this portfolio in the first place. We have upcoming Friday dividends. We already said how much. That's going to be a nice big bump to the account value. We are dreading the Friday dip, but usually on Friday because, well, no, always on Friday because the ones that pay out, which will be YMAG and Misty, should take a hit to their marks, which is just their current price per share. But then those can bounce back up due to, or continue to go even further down, just due to the market, due to us, the buyers and sellers. I think there's going to be a lot of confidence in Misty, so I think there's going to be buyers. I think there's going to be confidence in YMAG despite the low dividend return this week, because next week they're going to have more things that they did generating income. This week they only had like one thing that they generated income on. All right. Next week will be more. We're probably going to be getting back to that 20-cent level, which is awesome. I will gladly take $2, $2.50 a week out of YMAG for the interim. All right, guys, that's going to be it. We are up. We are green. We had some losers today, but overall, everybody is winners. I'm a winner. You're a winner. We love winners. Charlie Sheen. Here we go. It's been real. It's been fun. It's even been real fun. This is the Climb to One